So the final sequence is now to apply resin to our labels, and just so you can see it again, that's exactly what's going to happen. And we can vary the volume of resin by changing the time. But let's see how it looks on this first batch of labels. Our labels here have been printed, cut, and the waste stripped away, because in order for the resin to do its thing, it needs an edge to flow to. If I just show you here, now clearly we don't have enough resin on this size label, so if we come back up to the display, I can edit the time by pressing 1 and changing this time and making it greater. So I'm going to go from 0.8 of a second to 1 second. That's fine. I'm happy with the delay of half a second, and now I'm going to make another test. Think that I'm still slightly short on resin. Edit again, and now I'm going to change it to 1.5 and see how that works out. I would say that's about the perfect amount. Maybe a little less. Back up to edit, 0, 1, maybe 3, 1.3, and try that. Slightly less, better volume. And you can see the resin flowing to the edge of the label. The height of the domed label is down to obviously how much resin you apply, but you have to supply a minimum volume in order for the resin to reach the end of the label. And we'll stop it there. So here's our second label design. Again, simple circles, slightly bigger than the previous, but using the same value. Again, you see not enough volume. Back onto the control panel, edit, maybe try 1.5 seconds and see how that works. Slightly more, but the good thing is once you've found the optimum value for that size label, you can write that down, record it, and then next time round you know the exact value to input. On a label with a heavy ink background like this one, the resin will take a little bit longer to flow, so be a bit patient with it. Always give the resin time to flow, and if necessary you can go back, add some, or reduce the volume. But a very easy process, clean, safe, easy to do, and hopefully for a lot of people want to make short run domed labels, this machine and oven is the ideal solution. And when I've finished this particular label, I'm then going to put it into the oven, and the oven will speed up the curing process, and generally about 2 hours longer if you can in the oven, and you'll have labels which are cured to a level where you can put them on your final product and ship your product out the door.